If you're ready to dive into the latest trends shaping the world of technology, then you're in the right place. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge advancements that will define the future. So, you know how technology keeps evolving at breakneck speed? Well, 2025 is no exception. It's like a thrilling race where innovation is the name of the game. But fear not, my friend. Because we've got the inside scoop on the top gadgets and tools that are about to blow your mind. First up, let's talk about the obvious game changer, AI. Remember those clunky chatbots from the past? Well, AI has come a long way. Baby! Now we talking smart AI assistants like the ones built into our smartphones that can handle complex tasks with ease. They're like having a personal assistant right at your fingertips. And get this! There are even AI-powered glasses that can translate languages in real time, giving you the ultimate travel companion. Imagine walking up to someone and having a conversation in their own language without breaking a sweat. It's like having a real-time interpreter right in front of your eyes. But wait! There's more! Tools like ChatGPT 5 and Perplexity AI are about to take things to the next level. These AI companions are like having a personal co-pilot that can help you with everything from writing to research. They learn your preferences and tailor their assistance to your needs. It's like having a customized assistant that knows you better than you know yourself. Next up, let's check out some incredible gadgets for your daily life. Smartwatches are no longer just for telling the time. They read now like personal health buddies that can monitor everything from your heart rate to your sleep patterns. Some even detect signs of illnesses early, helping you seek medical attention when needed. It's like having a personal health coach on your wrist. And what about those new AI-driven earphones? They're like the ultimate multitaskers. Not only do they play your favorite tunes, but they can also adapt the sound to your block distractions and even act as your personal interpreter when you're traveling. Talk about a handy little gadget. Home assistants are also getting smarter by the day. They're like the ultimate multitaskers of the household. Instead of just following commands, they now predict your needs. Imagine coming home to a preheated oven or your favorite playlist already playing. It's like having a personal chef and DJ all rolled into one. For creators and professionals, 2025 brings a bunch of cool tools to the table. Descript is like Photoshop for audio and video, making editing as easy as working with text. Notion AI is a game changer too. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you draft documents, manage projects, and even brainstorm ideas. You don't have to switch apps anymore. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. And let's not forget about Midjourney. This AI tool is a powerhouse for creatives and marketers. It can generate those realistic visuals and 3D renders that you've been seeing everywhere. The best part? It's user-friendly, meaning you don't need to be a design guru to create stunning visuals. Now let's talk about the gadgets that are straight out of sci-fi. Personal, AI-powered drones that follow you around like a little buddy, capturing your adventures for vlogs or fitness tracking. Wearable tech that monitors your every move, guiding you towards a healthier lifestyle. Foldable, rollable, and transparent, smart displays that turn any surface into a screen. It's like having a window into another world. And let's not forget about smart cars. They're like the AI assistants on wheels. They handle navigation, entertainment, and even small tasks while you're driving. It's like having a personal chauffeur, but with a futuristic twist. So there you have it, folks. The must-have gadgets and tools of 2025 are here to blow your mind. It's a wild ride through the world of AI, wearable tech, foldable displays, and so much more. The future is looking pretty awesome, don't you think? Which gadget caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay in the loop with the latest trends, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the incredible advancements shaping our world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.